Today we're gonna skate some birds. If the FBI wasn't coming for us before, they definitely are now. It is escalating. If someone doesn't grind the hubba by the end of this video, I'm gonna be really upset. Hello guys, we're here today on a special hunt for birds.
There's a lot of them.
There's actually a lot right there in the
water.
We're here at Lake Merritt in Oakland, and if you look over there, there's actually, what, a good 20, 30 birds right there in the water?
67.
Oh, look on the right. There's geese.
Oh, do those count as birds?
Yeah.
The bird we're looking for is on our left coming up here pretty
Is there
soon.
a bird station?
Oh, bird coming up on our left. If you see the bird, we're gonna pull over and you gotta get the bird.
What do I do?
Oh wait, it was right there, it was back there. Hard left, Fetty?
Well,
Hard
I'm
left turn.
lefting.
This bird is 5 minutes away and has 76% life left. That means
I think they're taking them.
No!
Taking
Go, Fetty!
Do I go left or right?
Go left, and pull over or drop us off if you can.
Ah!
Oh, there's one! There it is right there! Pull over! Just stop. Uzi, get the bird. Uzi, get the bird.
What do I do with it?
Just put it in the trunk.
Just
Uzi.
people are gonna
Get
sit
the
there.
bird!
Get the bird!
Get the bird!
Oh. What is that?
It's a broken bird.
What is this? I don't want to be responsible for this.
Just take the bird.
Well, okay. It's not gonna fit.
Bird number one.
Dog, this thing weighs like 500 pounds. It ain't gonna work, dog. Dog, it ain't working.
He's got it. There we
It don't
go.
work, dog.
There you go.
I just
One
kidnapped
bird.
somebody.
Oh, hey,
What do we do now?
We're calling you.
We have
Good luck.
kidnapped a bird.
We bird napped a bird scooter.
We're at Lake Merritt hijacking all the birds, and we're gonna bring them back to the Braille house.
Wait, you can't bring them to the Braille house? We're gonna get arrested.
What is this, a light? What is this? I don't know where I am anymore. We got bicycle and someone parallel parking. Worst day ever.
Oh, Fetty. Turn, go that way.
Uh-oh. It's self-destructing.
There should be two up here after this intersection.
Right there.
Dan! Go!
Why do I gotta do it? You do it.
Come on, Gabe.
I need you to grab one too, Dan.
I don't know if I can. They're gonna yell at us. This thing's heavy. Wow, you just made that look so much simpler than when Uzi did it.
I think we only need two. Two is good enough.
Get that!
Let's go.
In the span of 2 minutes, I had 5 people look at me like I was an idiot. That was me.
You did that?
I did that.
Yeah.
That was fun.
That was great.
That was very fun.
Good work, Gabe.
And you know these things go pretty freaking fast.
How fast?
I don't know, but in December, I went to San Jose with my friend, and we got them and just rode around San Jose, and I think they go like upwards of like 10 to 15 miles per hour.
This spot's so scary.
Oh God, the bird attack!
We have a bird attack!
Almost knocked you out.
Look, Uzi, look, there's the camera that's recording us.
They can't see me.
It's a freaking light, dude.
You never know.
I don't trust these things. They're shifty. This is a nightmare.
Oh no, bro.
Anyways, today we're gonna skate some birds.
They're gonna arrest us.
Why would
with the
they
SWAT
arrest
team.
us?
They're gonna go. Psh, they're gonna come down from the rafters.
Not one single cop is gonna be like, you stole a bird, you're going to jail.
Remember this quote because just remember it.
Dude, we're gonna pay to use them, dude. You know?
Pay with hard time. That's the FBI. They're paging it.
Dan, I just want you to film him the entire video of everything he says and then watches nothing happen.
I hope
If
nothing
we
happens.
leave them in the Braille house, maybe they'll be like, okay, hey, bring them back.
Yeah,
But, dude,
now
they
you
don't
did
care.
kind of steal them, you know?
Yeah.
If I go steal a Ferrari, but then I bring it back, like they'll still be mad.
For you guys who are watching this video, we apologize for the beeping. We're gonna buy them right now, so hopefully they stop beeping. Fetty, would you like to pull your phone out?
Hey Siri, go to the App Store.
And hold up, I also gotta say, this video is not sponsored by any means. You must end your ride on the Bird app at the conclusion of the ride. If you fail to do so, you will continue to be charged. All right, Dan, ready for this technology?
So that would
Oh.
be 6 grand.
We got him. Find a spot to lock. After your next ride, lock your bird to the nearest bike rack. Make sure it's parked correctly and out of the public right of way. If your bird is not locked properly and it goes missing, a fine covering the cost of the vehicle may result. No underage riding, follow rules of the road, stay safe, and wear a helmet. So technically, they assume no responsibility for us because we have our own insurance in here.
Look at this. Boy, I'm really detained.
Should we give it a go, Dan?
Oh, whoa. Gabe, you two, come back. All right, down the bank, full send. Oh, it does nothing.
push first, get
is
it
the
going,
gas?
and then gas
What's
it.
this? Oh yeah.
They are speed demons. They are not birds. They are eagles in the night. Dude, that is impressive. I think you're good to go, Faye. Oh, Dan! Dan!
I almost died.
All right, let me see this thing.
That was terrifying.
That's pretty intimidating, actually.
I'm not gonna lie, more powerful than I thought.
Dude, they're strong, yeah. Alright, well that's all the extreme stunts I have.
Kids at the park by the house are always hitting stuff like this on their scooters.
Oh,
Oh my god!
Jesus.
Oh god.
Stop doing that, dude!
I want to see if I can go up the vert ramp like with 2 feet on.
Grind the box, Betty, grind the box. Wait, you're too fast for me.
I'm not gonna lie, this is the first scooter I actually like,
If
dude.
the FBI wasn't coming for us before, they definitely are now. Dan, this is the best idea I've ever had. But actually, like, there's nothing bad about this. It's just all good, all positive. Oh, God. They're pretty durable though. They're like nice hefty scooters.
Game of bird, come on, let's go.
All right, well you guys have seen some people riding birds on the side of the road, but you've never seen bird riding quite like this. And I don't mean saddling a seagull, I mean riding these electric scooters.
Wow, that was off the dome.
Yeah, that was like Dr. Seuss.
All right, so we're playing a game of birds, B-I-R-D-S.
Birds.
Full park, anything counts, you just gotta call it, go. Dan is first. Any foot comes off, doesn't count.
Hey, you gotta wait.
And we gotta make it fast because these things aren't gonna last forever.
True.
I could not do that if I tried. Oh! It clipped, but it's good. If someone doesn't grind the hubba by the end of this video, I'm gonna be really upset.
Woo! Going a billion miles an hour into that.
It's a bad idea, Dan.
That's so slippery.
Betty's turn.
So literally, he's giving me like first drift track vibes in this video, doesn't it? Yeah, you almost died, dude.
Got whipped in the face by a bird.
Whoa! It is escalating.
I jumped too early.
He literally tried to go into a scooter nose manual. I'll count it.
Only the green box.
The whole thing?
No. This is insane. That's 4 feet. Oh my gosh.
All right, a flat bar.
It's Fetty's turn on offense now. He's going back to the 3. I had an idea of how this video would go, and this is literally it. Perfect. Ooh, down it. Wow, you did that easy.
You keep getting stuck in the middle. There's something there that's stopping
Yeah.
you. Uzi, your trick, just go.
It's these things are quick on the wax.
It's like a Christ Air on a scooter.
So I was more thinking Titanic, but what are you doing, Izzy?
I'm flat barring.
You still flat barring? Wow.
I'm gonna do a 180. Yeah, on the big side.
What? You're gonna kill me.
Hey, you're up.
No hands.
The Titanic. Oh, that was good.
No. Wait, are you actually gonna try it? No?
Whoa.
Wow, R to R. Going down to the wire.
He'll hit a rail, but won't no hands down a small bank.
Yeah, it's body burial down to 3. That looked extremely confusing, and I was trying to process exactly what that was. Start switch, end up regular. Fetty is at R for Robin. Dan is at D for Dove. I think Dan is starting to question his scooter expertise.
Yeah.
That's possible.
Should I send it again?
Impressive.
Full send.
That's D to D.
Rock to fakie, I think. Rock
Pop
to
in,
rock
roll.
and roll. Yeah.
Okay, all right. All right, Fetty, your trick.
If RoboCop had a scooter.
How did he clear out to here? How does that make sense?
Oh, we have blood drawn from the bird.
Of course we do. It's me.
Not only did he just hit the hub, but he freaking gapped like 12 feet.
He landed so hard my feet went like this.
Did you see how hard I died on the green box? Like, how am I supposed to do this?
You gotta do it, just full send. It's your last letter. You gotta go out with a bang, or just land it.
A little more speed, a little more commitment. Second try is your last try. You got it.
Almost had it.
The official bird champion of the Braille House is Fetty Potter.
Right here, Mission Impossible.
Tom Cruise!
Ow! Ow!
Crawling out! Crawling out. Is there anything else you want to do, Fetty?
No, I did the hubba.
True. 5 hubba? Nope. We have successfully been on these things for 40 minutes and Fetty has not broken it yet. I don't want to jinx it. I think we should just call it.
I mean, then we can use these to go to the store.
Yeah. Once again, we are in no way affiliated with Bird. This was not a sponsored video. We did pay for these rides, so for the 40 minutes that we were on them, we were paying for it. So I just want you guys to know that that is the case. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check those out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and let us know what kind of content you want to see right down there. We'll read them, and we will make the videos happen. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Hey.